Hi guys, welcome back. In last video, we talked about uh, object has one property. So in this video, we are going to talk about property is enumerable. Okay, so by enumerable, like in from my previous video, you might be aware like what is enumerable. So this is like if we can access some property of an object either by any means like you can iterate anyway like using foreign, or you can use entries, or you can use keys, values. Anyway, if you can iterate and find that property, that is enumerable. So and yeah, so this is basically to check whether the object is uh, that property is enumerable or not. So if I am testing it here, so that is enumerable. So how to make sure whether it is enumerable or not? Like here, if I put object, will define the all the properties descriptions. So here you see this is enumerable. That's why it is saying it is enumerable. Now let's make this false and understand. So what was the way to make this false? So either if we define the new property, so we can make it false. Another way could be so many ways, like if we phrase it, so it will completely turn off everything. So let's phrase and okay. In phrase, I don't think it is going to turn off enumerable property, since that stops modification, but enumerable will be on, still on. Yeah. So I think the only way is to just define a new property. Let me define a new property here. Define property, and obviously property name will be something like city, and its powered circums like value xyz, enumerable will be true or false. Let's make it false. All right. Okay. Since we phrased it that object is not extensible, so let me refresh the page and now paste it again, the same thing. We'll try that to see if it is false or not. City might be false. Since we created a new property, by default writeable and configure was false, but we explicitly added false for enumerable. So let's try to check obj.1 is property enumerable. City, it will say false. If we check name, it will say true. All right. So that's all for property is enumerable. Your task could be like you can find out how to in which method, if enumerable is false, whether are we able to access the property using foreign, or when we try to do keys, whether it is accessible or not. You can find out more about it in separate videos, or in separate video I will explain you more about this. So till then, thank you for watching.